Hello, welcome to Computer Education for All. My name is Abdul Moed Sati. Dear friends, I am going to make tutorials. Computer Systems. Unit 1. Introduction. Computer System. A computer system is a fundamental and important part of modern life. It has revolutionized the way we work, communicate, learn, and entertain ourselves. A computer system is not just a single device but a sophisticated combination of hardware and software components that work together to process information, solve problems, and execute a multitude of tasks. Understanding computer systems is very important in today's digital age, whether someone is a casual user or a professional in the field of computing. It empowers the users to utilize the capacities of computers for diverse purposes, from business and scientific research to creative activities and entertainment. A brief history of computer systems and generation. Computers. A computer is a programmable electronic device that performs arithmetic and logical operations automatically using a set of instructions provided by the user. When we study the aspects of computing and computers, it is important to know about the history of computers. Early computing devices. Humans used sticks, leaves, stones, and bones as counting tools before computers were invented. More computing devices were produced as technology advanced and the human intelligence improved over time. A few early-age computing devices are discussed as follows. Abacus. Abacus was one earliest counting devices, consisting of beads or stones on rods or wires. It has been used for centuries in various cultures for arithmetic calculations by sliding beads to represent different numerical values. Abacus is shown in Fig. 1.1. Napier's bone. John Napier developed Napier's bones, a manually operated calculating device. It used 9 separate strips bones marked with numerals to multiply and divide. It was also the first machine to calculate using the decimal point system. Napier's bone is shown in Fig. 1.2. Pascaline. Pascaline was invented in 1642 by Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician. It was thought to be the first mechanical and automated calculator. It consisted of a wooden box with gears and wheels in it. Pascaline is shown in Fig. 1.3. Stepped reckoner or Leibniz wheel. In 1673, a German mathematician named Wilhelm Leibniz improved on Pascal's invention to create this device. It was a digital mechanical calculator known as the stepped reckoner because it used grooved wheels instead of gears. Leibniz wheel is shown in Fig. 1.4. Difference engine. In the early 1820s, Charles Babbage created the difference engine. It was a mechanical computer that could do basic computations. It was a steam-powered calculating machine used to solve numerical problems. Analytical engine. Charles Babbage created another calculating machine, the analytical engine, in 1830. It was a mechanical computer that took input from punch cards. It was capable of solving any mathematical problem and storing data in memory. Analytical engine is shown in Fig. 1.5. Tabulating machine. An American statistician, Herman Hollerith, invented this machine in the year 1890. Tabulating machine was a punch card-based mechanical calculator. It could compute statistics and record data or information. Hollerith began manufacturing these machines in his company, which ultimately became International Business Machines (IBM) in 1924. Tabulating machine is shown in Fig. 1.6. Differential analyzer. Vannevar Bush introduced the first electrical computer, the differential analyzer, in 1930. This machine was made up of vacuum tubes used as switches to electrically impulse to do calculations. It was capable of performing 25 calculations per minute. Differential analyzer is shown in Fig. 1.7. Mark I. The next successful computing machine invented was a digital computer known as Mark I. It was invented by Howard Aiken in 1944. Mark I could add 3 numbers having 8 digits in 1 second. It could print out its results on punch cards or on an electric typewriter. Mark I was 50 feet long, 8 feet high, and weighed about 5 tons. It used 3,000 electric switches. Mark I is shown in Fig. 1.8. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with all friends to help them in their studies and exam preparation. Thanks for watching and your kind cooperation.